Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here with hashtag Jelly Postcard Play, day 13. This is one I think is really pretty. And what I did is, it's my jelly plate print in the background, and I have this on a sticker sheet, and I thought, oh, it's so cool. So I had these random little stickers, and I took the frame and I put it in there. I put the stickers in the corner and the roses, and then so happy for this day, and number 13. And I kind of just put my paper over in some spots. And I was thinking that later on I wish I would have took distress and kind of distressed, but I like that it has this little gold glitter. That's why I grabbed this puffy letters, because I thought it just fit in with it. But that is my day 13. I hope you guys are enjoying these. Go check out the rest of the people that are doing hashtag Jelly Postcard Play. And see, they're all good creations. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.